Hello again. This exercise is for beginners, but I think it can be used by a lot of different people. So what I want to do is show you an arpeggiated chord. So what does that mean? In singing, you can only do one note. When you have a chordal instrument like piano or guitar, they can play several notes at one time. So we're a single note instrument, and so when you want to do a chord, what you do is you take each note separately, and it's called arpeggiating. So we're going to do that in our exercise. We're going to arpeggiate the chord. So let's start down here. And I want a nice full sound. I'm going to go slow. So here's our chord. Remember to take a nice deep breath. Okay. Mouth open. I'm going nice and slow. Going to the high note. Lift up inside the mouth, in the back. That's to keep the mouth open. Keep your body up. I'm doing it nice and loud, nice and strong. Now if you're having a problem with the transition, don't worry. Nice and strong. As long as the sound is clear, okay, you're going to be okay. There's no problem. You just want to make sure there's a nice clear sound. We're doing chest voice in this one. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Back down. Keep the mouth open, lift up in the back of the throat. Take a nice breath. Good, nice and slow. There you go. Notice how big my mouth is. Good, good. There you go. Now, even though it's low and it's I can sing it like that, I'm staying open on purpose for you to see, because when you practice, you want to make sure that you keep your mouth open, allow the sound to have a place to come out, right? Okay, very nice. You did a great job. I'm going to take it a little bit higher now. And remember, this here, it's called a chord, okay? And that's what we're doing. We're arpeggiating the chord. When I give you single notes, they can be from a scale. But I'll go over the musical terms in another video. But right now, just understand you're arpeggiating a chord. Okay? Let's take it up here and go back down. Here we go. go. Very nice. Two more. And when I do this, I'm thinking inside of my mouth. I'm thinking of lifting up in the back of the throat. Okay, well, beginners, tell me what's going on. Tell me what's happening in your voice. Now remember, this is chest voice. This is low, and it needs to be nice and strong, but it needs to be clear. When you're vocalizing, you want it clear. If you're singing your song, maybe you're gonna maybe you're gonna get a little guttural. Okay, that's your style. But vocalizing, you want to be nice and clear. Keep the mouth open. Do everything as correct as possible. Tell me in the comments how you like the exercise. What happened to you? Did you have a little rasp? Were you clear? Were you able to hit the high note and you thought, gosh, I wish she went higher? Tell me, okay? And ring the bell, subscribe, cause it's such a day, such a mighty fine day. Bye, 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 bye.